OpenAI just made its biggest developer announcement yet. Codex is now generally available. That means you can now use GPT-5-Codex anywhere you code. In your IDE, your terminal, or the cloud, all synced with your ChatGPT account. Think of it as your AI engineering teammate that's finally gone full-time. Codex is already transforming how companies like Cisco, Rakuten, Duolingo, and Instacart build software. And now, anyone can deploy it at scale. And with this launch, OpenAI just added 3 game-changing updates. First, Slack integration. You can now tag a Codex inside your Slack workspace. Ask it to debug a function, refactor a PR, or run tests, and it automatically gathers context, picks the right environment, and sends you a link to the completed task in Codex Cloud. It's like summoning your AI coworker right inside your team chat. Second, the Codex SDK. You can embed the same agent that powers the Codex CLI straight into your own engineering workflows or apps. It delivers structured outputs, built-in context management, and fast, accurate results powered by GPT-5-Codex. It's available now for TypeScript, with more languages coming soon. And third, new admin tools and analytics. Workspace admins can now manage environments, set safety defaults, monitor Codex actions, and even view dashboards tracking code reviews, performance, and usage across the CLI, IDE, and web. Inside OpenAI, engineers using Codex merge 70% more pull requests per week, and nearly every PR gets automatically reviewed by Codex before hitting production. At Cisco, engineers report 50% faster code reviews. And at Instacart, Codex is cleaning up tech debt and speeding up their background coding agents. In short, this is no longer a prototype. Codex is becoming the AI developer backbone of modern engineering teams. Codex in Slack. Codex in your IDE. Codex in your cloud. And now, it's available to everyone. 2024 was about AI writing code. 2025 is about AI shipping code. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. We'll be breaking down the new OpenAI Dev Day updates all week.